said it looks better on TikTok. Alright, Andy D, you might got me this time, Andy. But usually, Andy, it looks better. I usually have the 1080p going. But I just got caught in the middle of you getting a new phone today. Next time you see it, we'll be 1080p. You'll be like, oh yeah, I see the difference. You'll see it. Yeah, I ended the TikTok live. I got tired of holding up 2 phones. Hold on, y'all. Okay. RDX, D say he feel like the YouTube quality better. Somebody come out there. That's one of them Hondas that I'm gonna have to race, y'all, when I get my Mustang out. That's one of them ones they gonna try to see. Hey.
I saw the throttle on the top where it injected.
Oh, it wasn't working?
He was firing it and it wasn't firing it on. It wasn't turning over.
Oh,
Just
okay.
nothing, no sound. Then it would kind of chug a little bit.
Oh, TikTok lets you scroll through the app. Okay, okay. Yeah, that Honda did make a pretty good hit. Got a small block. Nut, got that small block. One time for the one time. We got Shane in the building. Okay, hey, is it a small block or a big block? What's your, what kind of motor is it? What kind of motor you got? It's got a big block, nitrous supercharger or turbo. On your car, we talking about your car. You got a nitrous supercharger or turbo? Neither one. Okay, you straight motor. Okay, we got a big block, straight motor. It got that intake. You got that intake, don't you? Okay, she got that intake. A little Super Victor. She got a little Super Victor, y'all.
I'm finna move, boss.
Oh, she getting the trans brake put on. Okay. She gonna be pop. Goddamn, hold. Okay, that's it, y'all. That's it. She got that trans brake and that intake. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. All motor, big block. God damn. She ain't finna turn. I wonder if it's solid roller or hydraulic. I don't feel like setting no valve. They say she gonna be on that 2-step like. He
said it built a boat.
Yeah.
Built a boat.
Is it stock by the minute? Oh, okay, stock. Okay, yeah, them last long. Yeah, them last long. They last long. You just gotta put some dome pistons, little extra compression. I think it's on E85. Okay. They're bringing some Hondas out. I can tell too. Look out, Joe Smith. I got suspicion. Hey.
Udah, di bagan.
I think this Honda right here might. Got about 6 pounds of air pressure in the front tires. What's up with it, man?
Shit, chilling, bro.
Oh, really? That little Honda right. Dang. Yeah. Hey, is that one of them Hondas I'm gonna have to race?
Huh?
Is that one of them fast?